Hey guys, today I have a 17 cubic foot upright Frigidaire freezer, and just do a little walkthrough here, show you everything on it. It's in excellent shape and that it works perfect. Now I just had the door open taking the pictures and everything, but I'm going to open it back up and show you. I've got a little thermometer in here. It's a little foggy since I just had that open, but you can see still below zero. Now it's on full blast, so being on full blast, it'll get all the way down to negative 20 or 25 even. And once it's all full of food, that number will go up just a little bit. And of course, unless you're, putting like a half beef or full beef or anything like that, you don't necessarily need to keep it on full blast number 7. I kind of do. I just kind of full speed and let it rip, but you could adjust it down even like a 5, however you want to keep it there. For testing purposes though, set everything to full speed. You've got tons of shelves here. All the shelves are in excellent shape, and this is a 2015 model, so just a few years old there. But as you can see, nice and bright on the inside. Tons of space. That's pretty much it. Not a whole lot else to show off on it. But I always do a video of everything plugged in, working, especially if you're having it dropped off. That way you know when you get it home, plug it in, you'll be good to go. That's how I like to spend my money, so that's how I in turn sell my items. But I do appreciate you taking the time to watch this video. You guys have a great day. Thank you.